What is an independent medical examination, or IME? An IME is a process by which the Department of Labor and Industries will send you to a doctor to be examined. L&I has a right by law to send you to an IME. And L&I would argue sometimes that they have a right to send you to as many IMEs as they like. The purpose of an IME is to gather evidence about your claim. This may be good evidence or bad evidence. In some cases, the department wants to send you to an IME to determine whether you have a permanent impairment and your claim should close. Other times, the department sends you to the IME to determine whether or not you need surgery or whether you should receive continuing time loss compensation benefits. L&I may send you to an IME to determine whether or not to reject your claim in the first place. In many of these instances, you need to talk to an attorney in order to determine whether you should go to the IME and what you should do during the IME. IMEs don't happen in every claim, but they do happen in the vast majority of claims. And you will only find out that you have to go to an IME when you receive a letter from L&I. L&I only has to give you 2 weeks' notice of this appointment, and you must be physically present at the appointment to be examined by a doctor that you may have never heard of or even met before. This is why it's important for you to reach out to an attorney right away as soon as you receive that letter from L&I in order to be prepared for your IME exam. Here are a few do's and don'ts in order to prepare for an IME exam. Make sure to be yourself. Don't try to impress the doctor or otherwise exaggerate any of your injuries. You should also be quiet during the exam. You don't want to frustrate the doctor or otherwise do anything that could impact your report. Remember, this doctor is going to write a detailed report, give it to L&I about what to do with regard to your claim. Most importantly, remember that anything you do say during the exam can be used against you, not just in court, but in the L&I claims management process to deny you benefits. This is why it's extremely important when you receive a letter that you have an IME to reach out to Emery Reddy to discuss your options.